Drink this.
This is Grandma's protein-packed peanut punch energy drink.
It makes you stronger.
Take this.
Me know you come. What is this? Peanut? What a peanut. What me do with this? Buy a mortar for me. How much 3 mortar?
$3.
$3 for a mortar? We want to see it.
Okay, I'm soon come. Hi, how you doing? Oh, really? That's good.
This good?
Mm-hmm.
But all them, they shouldn't do that so.
These shouldn't be here?
Mm-mm. Take them out.
Put this in the garden now.
Mm-hmm. How much? 1 teaspoon? I don't see nothing come from it.
See that?
Drink this. It makes you stronger. tell me this morning, tell me not to do it. Yesterday morning when we come, pure trash in there. I don't want you getting a bad luck with them. Last week then come and thing full up of trash. They never take out none from there. So and the whole heap of fresh grass. Last week then take whole heap of grass. And full them thing. I don't know if I last week or whenever they did that. Watch me.
What you say?
I say, watch me, me not care nothing. Go give. See him there? Watch him if I'm going now. Cut me grass.
No, I might take it up.
No whole heap of dirt things round there. May I go home, they go tell you. Listen, make sure not throw nothing in here. Last week, them pile it with whole heap of garbage. And we couldn't even find nothing to put my god thing in it, full up. But we not sleepy this week. Wait, this one, this is what?
Water?
I know that water.
No, different water.
No, this is a different water.
No, me take the grandma, don't take it up.
Oh, we don't try that. Really kidding me last. This a man said, and when we get mosquito there, we'll move this so you can put the other one there. We're not come there. I always think that I feel.
No, no, man.
Wait. You want this way? We drink. We take out this and then, but this one not for me. Are your shoes that?
Yeah.
Mhm.